How you can save yourself from getting replaced by AI. Let me give you an example. So basically it's all about value equal value. If you are working with anyone, so for example this one is client and this one is you. You provide value in terms of your time, your skills and much more, right? So if you are providing your time, your skill and everything to the client will give you money. So he will give you money and that's all we want. Now imagine if you are just providing these two things, you will get replaced because now AI can do skills. Now AI can save time or use time. I can just go to Claude Cowork and just tell him do the social media for me and it will do. Just write the blogs for me and publish them to the website. It will do. So you will get replaced because it's just not worth it. If client is paying you 1000, why not he just pay the 200 or 100 to the Claude and it will do it for them without much thing. But what if you provide money? So equal money. So your value is money and his value is money. That means is that you just don't provide skills and time. You build their business. You make them money. So if they are making 2000 or 20 million or 100 million, $1 billion from your skills and time, because they are making money, they will give you money and you will not be replaced by AI. So that's how you have to be. You don't have to be just using skills or time because that is already replaced by AI. You have to do more. You have to make them money, and for that you have to do anything in your power to maybe use AI to automate stuff for their business so that it can do this, and then you can focus them to getting more leads, more sales, so that their business thrives. So you work as a business partner, not just a freelancer or an agency owner, and you will not get replaced.